a master at work.
A B flat track.
4 letters. Now you ain't quite ever seen a nigga like me.
Dog, look at the prison bus wreck, bro. Damn, you missed the prison bus.
So seen it too.
Damn. You got
Wow.
the motherfucking prison bus wreck. Those bitches ain't bullshit. You ain't go home. Nobody go nowhere. They got kind of nobody go nowhere. There's 2 prison buses right now broke down accident, right? Boy, these people, they got that bus around it. Them bitches ain't going nowhere. Hey, look, they can't go. Look where I'm at. Where you going anyway? Where I'm at? Where the hell you going? And these niggas on the bridge. They got the bridge back up. I mean, I ain't gonna lie. Them boys got life. They might try. Them boys got life. And this is New York, but them boys got life.
Crowd like, put your drinks up. It's what it sound like. It's going down like. Now everybody crowd like. Gas rolls up as I dig.
We ain't big yet.
Throw it up like a motherfucking suplex. Cuts glowing bright underneath the lights. The scene just right, let us clean up nice. The game so tight, I'm allergic to the bleach. Never got a trick when I pull it with my features. Women on 10, turned up to the max. Go shine in the spine, yeah, straight about the back door. Stack dough is what I do, cause paper hereditary. Got them all on my dick like hating is necessary. Shit, I'm the man in it, bit. Halftime on these hoes, pop a band on the bitch. Let us do his thing, I'm mobbing and still freaking. 24/7, we doing it every weekend. Like, all my niggas bout to link up. Toast to the kid, everybody put your drinks up. This what it sound like.
Donkmaster, where we at right now?
It's going down like.
Brooklyn, New York, right?
Now everybody
right now.
Home of JJ, PK, BIG,
So we had to meet with
and
we're
Viceland.
at Viceland right now. I'm gonna check him out. We were doing CC, had to go get us some cheesecake and drink. We'll take it there. We gonna go this way. We got coming down. CC got a book bag.
Put that on, you know what I'm saying? Hey, like information. And this here. New York City, man. Yeah. We got a few more shows now for the motherfucker. Anybody can get a tour. Right now, we still on the tour. We just not driving the car at the moment, but we on tour still.
We on the same.
For all y'all who didn't know, we had a good, successful year. You know what I'm saying? I feel we got the most wins out of every count. We raced the ball out of every count, period. And right now we're in Viceland, man. Dream come true, man. You know, it ain't over yet though. We still working on the numbers, you know what I'm saying? It might be a HBO, you know, Showtime. You know, you never know. YouTube might want to book us ourselves, you know what I mean? So, you know, right now we doing the business meeting. They see we got the best numbers, but right now they showing love. They put a good package together for us. They got a good TV series supposed to come out October 1st. I go work on these deals, man, you know what I'm saying? This is behind the scenes of what In-N-Out Custom go through. NYC, blessing. From we call no doors to dirt floors. You know what I'm saying? The major corporations. How you doing? Yeah. So, you know, all that shit comes with the program.
See what we got going on, dog.
It's hot, too.
Oh yeah.
We're in summertime. Gucci, get your Gucci.
Block Rosa, cook it up, cook it up, cook it up, cook it up,
Flock Rosa on the track.
I'm here at Viceland, man. I'm the Donkmaster. Home TV show coming real soon. Now we can do the hood nigga shit. TV, man. What you got? Go, Viceland.
Alright, go ahead.
Donkmaster, Viceland. Coming soon. Coming soon. We got a TV. We got your TV. Yo, control me. What? Did I go to bar? Viceland.
You got 200.
We got 1,000, so what you got?
City to city, coast to coast, Donkmaster Sage Thomas races his cars. Sage is the king of Donk Racing.
I want about $30,000. It's my job. Gotta put kids in college and shit.
American classics with big flashy rims. Works of art built for speed.
That turbo's so big that we had to take the headlight out to make sure that it get a lot of air.
Donkmaster good. I want to take him down.
If you got rims on your car, we race you.
And we running down the quarter mile at high race speed. So anything can happen. Get off the track. Give me the elbow out. Hey, Jim, get out. Donkmaster. They knew.
Highway.
They knew.
We got low riders.
Yeah, they got everything out here. They know Gino coming, nigga. Them bitches wanna get on YouTube.
Yeah.
Oh, that's how we doing it? Oh, that's how we doing it? Oh, that's how we doing it? Okay.
They line up, they red. They put all the shit out there. Dude, this is all
we almost got a dope one. Okay, man.
Yeah, boy. They got dump rats in the city.
The CZ can't get past security.
Y'all can't get past me.